In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter in Excel. If you're working with a spreadsheet that has a lot of information, filters are one of the easiest ways to quickly narrow down what you see without deleting or changing any of your data. This is especially helpful when you only want to view certain categories, names, statuses, or values in a larger table. To get started, highlight the headers at the top of your data. These are the labels for each column, and selecting them tells Excel where you want the filter to be applied. Make sure you're selecting the actual header row and not random cells in the sheet, because the filter works best when your data is organized clearly under each heading. Once your headers are highlighted, go to the top of Excel and click on the Data tab. This is where Excel keeps many of its sorting and organizing tools, including the filter option. If you're new to Excel, this tab is a good place to remember whenever you need to manage data more efficiently. After that, click Filter. As soon as you do this, small drop-down arrows will appear in the header cells you selected. These arrows are what allow you to control what data is shown in each column. Next, click the drop-down arrow in the column you want to filter. This opens a list of all the available values in that column. From here, you can decide exactly what you want to display. This is useful when your spreadsheet includes repeated entries and you only want to focus on one specific item. Now click Select All to unselect everything. This is a quick way to clear all the check marks at once, so you can choose only the specific value you want. It saves time and makes the filtering process more precise, especially in longer lists. Then simply select the one you want to filter out. Once you check that option, Excel will update the sheet and only show the rows that match your selection in that column. The rest of the data is still there, it's just temporarily hidden from view. And that's how to add a filter in Excel. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference when you're trying to analyze data or find information faster. If your filter doesn't seem to work, double check that your headers are selected properly and that your data is laid out in clean columns. Once you get used to it, filtering becomes one of the most useful tools in Excel.